Guys, today let's discuss about Numpy. So I'll discuss about Numpy basic methods in this video. So let's start. I'm using Jupyter notebook here. So to start with Numpy, first we have to import Numpy. We're importing Numpy as NP. From then, first we will start with a basic array. np.array of comma 2 comma 3. Yeah. So we are printing here array. So basically here array is similar to list in compared between arrays and lists, but arrays holds only homogeneous types, like only single data type. Here we are giving numbers. If you want to give another data type, we can only give float values or we can only give string types, whereas in list we can enter almost all types of data types, like we can give integer types, string types, floats, all types. But here numpy is faster than lists, and we are using numpy for calculations. For the calculation purpose we are using only single values. That's the reason behind using only single type of values in numpys. So we created an array. We can give any number of lists inside an array. Let us see one more example. np.array of like this. But remember here carefully, when you are giving two lists inside a array, you have to make them come under a single list, then only you can able to print. See here, a of 0 1 2 3, a of 1, a of 1 of 0, like this. So that's with creating an array. Let's move to another topic. There are many methods in arrays. You can start with np.arrange method. So the arrange is like loops, like n equal to 10 for I in range of n, print I, similar to loops. Here we can get the entire range with using a range function, whereas in Python we have to write a loop function in order to get the range. So this is arrange function in numpys. So next one will try linspace of 0 comma 10 comma 10 values. So let's change it 10 to 9. See here we have entered three values, 0 10 and 9. So the 0 to 10 is like a range function starting with 0 and ends at 10. The 9 means we are extracting 9 values from the 0 to 10 range, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like that. You can enter any value in that. Even you can even able to extract from 0 to 0.5, 9 values or 10 values or 100 values, any number of values you can able to extract, like that. This is what line space is. So it's similar to like rational numbers, like that. We're using decimal numbers. So we'll try another one. We can actually add two lists, two arrays, even they contain either integer values or float values or characters. You can be able to add them. We'll see that at the end. So let's change these two characters. So we have a and b values. Now if you want to add a and b, you can simply give, see here, we're actually adding characters here. 1 plus 4, 14, 25, 36. We're getting the values like this because of the characters. In string we can add values. We can't actually do sum, but we can print side by side like that. So there are many characters like that. We'll try using join. Date, month, year, comma, month, date, year. See here, here the first value is colon and the second one is dash. So we get values, the first string dmy and the second one is mdy. See here, the first one at 0 at index and here the colon is at 0th index. Both use join operator and prints like this, whereas the dash line comes in between mdy. So this is how we actually use join. So let's go to capitalize lower under a equal to hello world. So here if you see here, we took a string hello world and we are making changes to upper, lower, and we can use even try capitalize hello world. The first letter you see, it becomes a capital letter. So like this, there are many functions in numpys. Even though these are very basics, there are many things like we can create a array with zeros by using this. See here, we got three zeros in a single 1D format. You can even get 3D format. So I will explain it here. We are giving np dot zeros of shape as 3 comma 3 cross 3 3 by 3 shape. Cannot interpret 3 as data type. Okay, for that purpose we have to use this. So here we used np dot zeros and we can even try np dot ones of 3. Can you will again get a single array 1D format of array. There is one np dot I of 3. So this is basically gives diagonal values as 1. See here, we get 3 by 3 matrix and we got diagonals as 1 like that. Any number, if you enter any number, it will give all diagonals as 1. See here, like that. That's np dot I. So there is a loop in here. We use iteration for loop and we can use split operations and strip operations, replace, transpose, row axis like that. So these are the very basics of numpy. Here we have many more examples. Here split lines. So we are splitting here from where we entered a new line. There we are splitting this and stripping here. We are stripping the values where there is a either the front or either at the end. So here there is apple, we got a value at the starting of the string, so that stripped there and printed pple, and whereas banana it's at the end, so it's left the value a and it prints ban and act ct, and np.cat.split where there is space it will automatically split the values like that. Upper capitalize center. Here the center we will give a string. I'll explain it. See here, we want to get this hello as a center value where we are getting 11 characters. Let's change it to 12. See here, there is 3 characters at the left side of it and 3 characters for at the right side of it, and we are printing hello in the middle of these characters where we are filling with hash. We can fill with one whatever we want. As that is a string, we won't get any errors like that. This is center like that. So transpose means if we get a matrix, if we transpose it, let's wait. Okay. Np dot transpose of a. See here, as they are diagnosed, even though we will transpose it anyway, we will get the same. That's what transpose is. And this is iteration like loops. This is splitting. We're splitting two characters from the range of 0 to 6. Split, resize, zeros, line space. That's it for the arrays, numpy arrays, guys. So if you want to try, there are many things which you will get, which you'll find in documentation of numpy official site. So let's go there and try. If you have any doubts, please feel free to mention in the comment section. Thank you for